Now let's look at getting data actually into the database. We could sit here and type all the data in, or I might be able to import it from a file. So I'm looking at external data, and in fact I've got some data for the Walker table in an Excel file. So I'll just close that and I'll see if I can import it into the database. So I'll go into Excel and I want to browse for the Walker data, and I want to choose append a copy of the records to the table. So that will add the records to the end of the table. Press OK, and it's saying the table which I'm trying to append to is currently open, must be closed. So I want to make sure that this Walker table is closed. So I'll press yes. And do I want to save the changes? Probably. And this is the data it's trying to import from the Excel file, so I'll try a next. And I want to import to the Walker table. And this message has come up, I think, because my data types don't match. So I'm going to say that I don't want to proceed, and I'm just going to cancel the whole thing. And if we actually have a look at the Excel data, you'll see that in my contact number, the telephone numbers have been stored as numbers. So what I want to do is to change this to text. Although phone numbers look like numbers, they're not data that you would do calculations on, and more often than not they have a lead 0, which you wouldn't expect in a number anyway. So let's put our lead 0 back in here and turn it into text. And if I close the file, and I'll try and import the data again. So let's just go onto there, append a copy of the records, Walker data, and just make sure that it's, whoop, why is it not saying the Walker table? I must have, let's just try that again. Append a copy of the records to the Walker table. So, and need to go and choose the file, into the Walker table and finish. Do I want to save the steps? No, that's fine. So let's just check it's all arrived in the table. So double click on there, and there's the data being read in from the Excel file.